Light up and stuff.
All right, we're at the Cold Spring Antique Center, and this is the item of the week. What do you call it?
It's a fire truck light on a light stand, ready to go.
Ready to go. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. And how old is this?
The truck light is probably 60, 70 years old. The stand is probably as old. It's made in California. It's probably had a movie light on it.
That's really awesome. And what are we asking for it? Vintage fire truck lamp light, $135. Now on sale at the Cold Spring Antique Center. Have a nice day.